The Registrar Joint Admission and Matriculation Board JAMB, Prof Ishaq Oloyede, has denied insinuations in the media indicating outrageous spending on meals, fumigation among others by the board in 2024. Professor Oloyede had on Monday, 13 January, appeared before the Joint Committee of the National Assembly on Finance to defend the board 2025 budget proposal. Reacting to the development on a sideline of an event in Abuja, Oloyede, who expressed surprise at the misrepresentation, clarified that the submitted provisions were mere budget proposals rather than expenditures already incurred by the board in 2024.
Security had been outsourced. You also know that cleaners had been outsourced. In all the states of the Federation, we have 580 security men and cleaners. Where would their salaries come from? The least paid police officer, least paid of the security officers will collect 30,000, which is the minimum. This minimum wage had gone to 70,000. I didn't make it so. So if you add this is part of what is being called, add just the 70 times the number of security, then add maybe 40 or 50 times. We merely projected. We have not spent a kobo. It has nothing to do with. In fact, I did not at any time present anything about 2024 because it was not requested. So, but unfortunately, somebody misinterpreted it and and of course, those of you who are there knew. I wanted to explain, but I was before a higher authority.
Defending the expenditures as captured in the 2024 budget estimate, the JAMB board said it represents compliance with the budget information management monitoring systems for government-owned enterprise.
This template was given to us by the budget office, and all we can do is to put it in that box, but provide the details, which we did, but unfortunately it was not read. We have 10,500 examiners and invigilators going to conduct both the mock and the UTME. Some of them stay for 10 days. I do not determine their DTA. It's the government that determines the DTA to be paid to them. So what offense have I committed in putting their claims together? And that was 3.2 billion of the 6 billion. 6.4 billion. There are other items like that. He talked about food. Everybody knows that at the JAMB headquarters, we provide one lunch for those in the headquarters, and we provide this lunch for them, partly because we don't want our system to be destroyed. We never bought any computer last year, 2024. We are projecting to buy, and it was being said that, we bought last year. Where did we buy last year? We budgeted to buy, and the process is still on. And again, JAMB has CBT centers. We need 850 CBT centers. If we budget for 1 or 2 per year towards achieving that, what offense have we committed?
He further reacted on the clamor for downward review of UTME registration fee.
To me, to the best of my knowledge, I've done what I'm supposed to do. We have reduced it from 5,000 to 3,005. This is the least paid anywhere in the world for any admission, unless you want it to be given free. And we can assure you, I believe that if we are given fair opportunity to explain, Nigerians will know that I, Ishaq Oloyede, will not appropriate or misuse. We will not spend. I will spend money as Nigeria and as responsibly as possible.
Professor Oloyede expressed willingness to appear before the Committee of the National Assembly to provide further clarifications. CNN News.